We have eight command words in our 827. So what are these eight command words? So different command words are keyboard display mode command word and program clock command word, then read FIFO or sensor RAM command word, or write display RAM command word, read display RAM command word, clear command word, then write inhibit or blanking command word, then interrupt end error mode command word. So these are the different command words, 8 command words of 8279. It's very easy. First one only will be large, other things are very easy. Okay, see here. So how to find out different command words? Okay, so if the first 3 bits represent which command word this word depends on. So this is a total word. So the first 3 bits will represent to which command word. Okay, so if this is 000, then it is keyboard display mode command word. If this is 001, the next one is program clock command word. If this is 010, then it is read FIFO RAM command word. Okay, so now we will go through this. What is this? So 000. So next 2 bits are DD, then other bits are KKK. What is this? This is for your display, and these 3 bits for your keyboard. So if these 2 bits are 00, then you have selected the mode of your 8279 is 8-bit character display with left entry. Left entry means if you type a word, it will come from the left. Okay, so as in your calculator. Okay, so 01 means then 16-bit character display. The display is 16-bit character display with left entry. So 10 is, then it is a 8-bit character display with right entry. Right entry means the character will come from this way. So first one, second one, third one, so it will come in this manner. Okay, so 11 means 16-bit character display with right entry. Okay, so this is your DD. So KKK is, so if it is 000, if you put 000 here, then you are meaning that you are specifying that the 8279 should work in encoded scan keyboard 2 key lockout mode, in 2 key lockout mode. So 001 means then it is decoded scan with 2 key lockout mode. If 010 means encoded scan with N key rollover. 011 means decoded scan with N key rollover. 010 means encoded scan with sensor matrix. 101 means decoded scan with sensor matrix. 110 means strobed input encoded display scan. 111 means strobed input decoded display scan. What is this strobed input? Strobed input means you are considering the control and shift key also to be pressed. Okay, you are considering the control and shift key also to be pressed. Okay, ma? So this is your first command word, keyboard and display mode command word. Okay, so next command word is clock, program clock command word. Program clock command word. So what is a program clock command word is? So if you put 001, then it is a program clock command word. So what is these 5 bits? So these 5 bits, what is this command word is mainly for? So you are giving a clock from to the 8279. Okay, so if you want to divide that clock, so if the clock is 1000 kilohertz coming inside your 8279, but you want only 500 kilohertz, then what you have to do? You have to divide the clock by means of 2. So that is done by means of these bits. So what the value you are putting in this area will divide your total clock which is coming to your 8279. So if you put 00010, it means that it is equal to 10 means 2. So it will divide your external clock. External clock is, if it is 100 kilohertz, then it is divided by means of 2. So now the clock entering inside your 8279 is only 50 kilohertz. Okay, so according to the value of your bits here, you can divide the clock and you can obtain the required clock for an 8279. Okay, so next one is read FIFO sensor RAM. Read FIFO sensor RAM. So how to read the sensor FIFO RAM? FIFO is your display, your if you press the key, the address, otherwise the details of the keys will be present in your, will go and store in this FIFO RAM. Okay, so see here 010 means now the command word is for read FIFO sensor RAM. Okay, so this 3 bits AAA is giving the address of the register inside your FIFO RAM which is to be read. Address of the register inside your FIFO RAM which is to be read. Okay, so AI means auto increment. So if you put AI equal to 1, so if you read this, if you are putting 0 0 0, so the 0th register has to be read from your FIFO RAM. So 0th register must be read from your FIFO RAM. So if this is 1, then next one 001 will be read automatically. Then after reading the 001, then 010, the second register will be read automatically. Okay, so this is the address of the register inside your FIFO RAM which is to be read. Okay, so this is read FIFO RAM. Then read display and write display RAM. Okay, so this is your next command word is read display RAM. What is read display RAM? So if you put 011, then it is read display RAM command word. So AI is auto increment, again the same thing. So AA is the address of the register inside your display RAM, which is to be read. So this is the address of the register inside your display RAM which is to be read. Okay, so write display RAM. What is this write display RAM? Again the same thing. 100 means this is a command word for write display RAM. AI is auto increment. This is the address of the register inside your display RAM which is to be in which you have to write. Okay, so next one is display write inhibit blanking. So what is this display write inhibit blanking is? Okay, so if you put 101, then it is the command word for inhibit blanking. So IW is inhibit word and BL is blanking. Inhibit word means if you put 1 in this, then the display will be maintained same even if you give new inputs to the display. Okay, so if you put 1 here, then it will maintain the same display. It will not change for the new input. Okay, so blanking means if you put 1 here, then your display will be totally blank. Okay, so this is your display write and inhibit blanking command word. So inhibit write means if you put 1 here, then it will make the display as it is in the previous way. Okay, it will not change for the new input. Blanking means if you put 1 here, then it will blank the total display. Okay, so next command word is clear. If you put 110, then it is called clear. Okay, so CD2, CD1 and CD0, CF is clear flag, that is clear your FIFO. Okay, this is clear all. So if you put 1 here, then your FIFO RAM status will be cleared. If you put clear here, your total display will be cleared. So you have to use this CD1 and CD0 for making you can also clear your display by means of this CD1 and CD0. So how? So if you put this is CD1 is 0 0 0 1, you can make all zeros. Okay, all zeros means this is for some common cathode. So you will make your display totally cleared. Okay, so if you put all zeros, your display will be totally cleared. So if you put 1 1, that means that the action is you have to put all ones. So this is also for clearing the display in your common anode mode. Okay, so likewise so 20H, so you can also clear the display by means of 20H. So what is this 20H is? So this is for alphanumeric display. Alphanumeric display is not, we are not using alphanumeric display, we are using only digital displays. Okay, so this is not a main thing. So this is for common cathode and this is for common anode, clearing common cathode and clearing common anode. Okay, so CD2, if you put 1, then only these bits will activate. These bits will get activated when you put CD2 1. Okay, CD1 and CD0 is used for this purpose. If you can clear the display by means of putting here 1, so clear all, so display will be cleared. So you can clear your FIFO RAM by means of putting 1 here. Okay, so this is your clear command word. Okay, so the next one is your end interrupt mode or error mode set command word. So it is also very easy, 111. If you put 111, then this mode is end interrupt mode or error mode set. Okay, so what is this? So in this you need to explain about only this E. So if you put 1 here in this bit, then it means that in your n key rollover mode, you have to specifying if this E is 1, then you are taking that 8279 to a special error mode. So if this bit is 1, then in your n key rollover mode, you are taking the 8279 to a special error mode. Okay, so that's all. This is your 8 command words of your 8279. So next one is FIFO status command word. So what is this FIFO status command word? So this is your FIFO status command word. So see here, this is the first 3 bits n. This is the number of characters, specifying the number of characters in the FIFO RAM. Okay, so F, next bit F is the FIFO. If this is 1, then it means that FIFO RAM is full. So next one is underrun, next one is overrun, then this one is sensor closure or error flag, then this is display unavailable. Okay, so the bits here will specify how many number of characters in the display in the FIFO. Okay, so this is if you have 1 here, then it means that FIFO is full. So if you have 1 here, then it is underrun means what? So you have no data in your FIFO RAM. Even then, microprocessor is reading the FIFO. Okay, so what is FIFO? FIFO is the area in which you have to store the address of the key, isn't it? Address of the key, the value of the key, which key is pressed, will be stored in this FIFO. Okay, so if there is no data in the FIFO also, if the microprocessor is reading the FIFO RAM, then it is called underrun error. Okay, so what is overrun error? Overrun error means if the FIFO RAM is full, even then you are pressing a key to make this key to enter inside the FIFO RAM is impossible, isn't it? So if the FIFO RAM is full, at that time if you are pressing another key, then it is overrun. So you can't make a new key to be get loaded inside your FIFO RAM. So this is sensor closure or error flag for multiple closures. What is this? If at a time, if more than 2 or more number of keys are pressed, then error flag will be set at this bit. Okay, so last bit is display unavailable. What is this display unavailable? So if the display is not connected, then you will the FIFO status will have 1 here, so error flag 1 here. Okay, so this is your FIFO status RAM. So totally this is your 8279. Thank you.